Welcome to Google Sheet Pro. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text color and background color in Google Sheet. So let's get started. Select the cell you want to change the color. Click on the text color button and A with the color bar. Pick the color you want. The color has now changed as you can see. So let's start with how to change the background color. Select the cell you want to change the color. Click on the Fill Color button, a paint bucket. Choose the color you want. The color has now changed, you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video to others. Thank you.